Don't download Mylo app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the Mylo app, pause for a moment. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's a full-featured investing platform, but the surprising truth is that Mylo, now rebranded as Mocha in some regions, is primarily a micro-investing app designed for small, automated investments, not active trading. Mylo rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change in a diversified portfolio. This makes it incredibly easy to start investing without thinking too much. For example, if you buy a coffee for 75, Mylo would round it up to 0 and invest the 25. While this might sound harmless, many users don't realize how long it takes to build significant wealth with such small contributions. Another important factor is fees. Mylo charges a monthly fee, often between and depending on your plan, regardless of the size of your investments. For users with very small balances, this fee can significantly eat into returns. Imagine investing a day with a monthly fee. The percentage cost is much higher and with traditional brokers. Additionally, Mylo's investment options are limited to pre-selected portfolios, which means you cannot pick individual stocks, bonds, or alternative investments. This is perfect for beginners who want a hands-off approach, but it's restrictive if you want more control over your portfolio. In conclusion, don't download Mylo app if your goal is active trading or building a sizable portfolio quickly. It's ideal for beginners who want to develop a habit of investing small amounts consistently. Understanding the fees, limitations, and long-term growth potential will help you make the most out of the app without unrealistic expectations. For anyone serious about investing, consider complementing Mylo with a traditional brokerage account for more flexibility and lower costs.